Yo. Oh shit. This is dude, 55, thank you.
Like how I walk. Do you like how I talk?
Yo, Cobster.
Do you like how my face disintegrates into bone?
Remember to subscribe to Camel Bus.
Oh wait, yo, that shit's clogged, dude. Don't use the ping pongs.
Remember to subscribe to Camel Bus.
The Robot Andy's clogged. Let me unclog him.
Remember to subscribe to Camel Bus.
350.
Oh shit.
Remember to subscribe to Camel Bus.
No, don't use Robot Andy, dude. He's clogged up. He's clogged up.
Do you like how I walk? Do you like how I talk? Do you like how my face disintegrates into bone?
Okay, let me replay Cassie's. And
do this.
Do what? What is that?
The Camel'll check the MS.
What is that? Is it important, Bino? Let me replay Cassie's.
Share 350.
New camel.
Oh shit. Yo, Vaughn. What's up, Vaughn?
Going for the big one, boys.
Dude, what was that? I'm not even gonna turn around, dude.
EZ clap.
How are you feeling, Sarah?
I'm chilling.
Oh, what the hell, dude? You broke the eggshells.
Not how are you today?
Oh my god,
Share
dude.
350.
Cake's definitely gonna be cool.
Dude. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be cool.
It's definitely gonna be cool.
Dude, this is...
This is a shit show.
Okay, I'm whipping this shit, dude. Ping pong balls or not, I'm whipping this shit. We're whipping it. Okay, you said not to over whip it.
Yeah.
You must whip it.
But like, I guess what's the? Am I just looking for like a fluffy consistency?
Kind of get fluffy, you know.
Okay.
Look at this guy.
That's a little tight.
Little belly. Okay. Oh shit, dude. What'd you say? With the
I think you should
spatula?
stop and stir it with the spatula now and see.
Okay.
So how is it feeling
Shit,
for the
dude.
frosting?
I mean, it's getting lighter.
Yeah.
It's getting lighter, but I feel like it could be lighter.
Okay.
Me currently.
You could
So
take
I'm
it a
gonna
little further.
400
if you
milligrams.
feel
I feel like it could go. It could go further.
Okay, just a little bit.
Take
Me
it.
daddy, me current.
We can take it. I'm hitting the turbo.